Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious masala dosa and we're going to be turning it into a cool cone shape. It's very cool. We're also going to be showing you how to make a dosa batter. So you're going to start off by adding 2 cups of rice into a big bowl. Then you're going to add 1 cup of split urad dal. Then you're gonna wash it 2 to 3 times to make it nice and clean. Then you're gonna add some water. Make sure it's fresh and drinkable. So you're gonna add some fresh water, and you're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and those seeds kind of help you digest. So you're going to close the lid and soak it for 6 hours. It's better to do this in the morning. That way you'll have a lot of time. So you're going to remove any excess water and you're going to add 1/2 cup of thin poha, but before 5 minutes of grinding. So after you're done that, you're going to grind it into smooth batter. Make sure to mix it all well, and you can see how nice and smooth your batter turned out. So, once it's ready, you're going to add a little bit of salt, and you're going to mix it together. So now you're going to close the lid and rest it for about 6 to 8 hours overnight. There's a lot of waiting, but trust me, the results are totally worth it. Now you can see that your batter puffed up a little, or a lot, so you know that it is ready. So mix it all nicely together. And it is the perfect consistency to turn into dosa. Add a little bit of water if it's too hard though. So now you're going to spread your dosa evenly on a hot pan, but don't add any oil before spreading it, because you add the oil after you spread it. So now when you see that it's nicely roasted, you're going to add a little bit of potato stuffing or some masala curry. And you're going to fold it and enjoy. It is delicious, guys. It is super yummy, super delicious, and super tasty. So now you can serve your crispy masala dosa. Now we're going to be making a cone dosa. So you're going to spread it out just like before. Spread it out evenly and nicely. And you're going to add oil just like before, but now you're going to cut it. Make sure to use clean kitchen scissors. And make sure they're very clean. So after you've cut it, you're going to fold it like so and serve and enjoy. This is a delicious and very fun way to eat your crispy cone dosa. I'm sure everyone will love it. So serve your dosa with chutney or your favorite curry or some sambar and serve it and enjoy. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye!